Why do 85% of top Etsy sellers use 3D printing? They know the secret to success. Let's dive in. First up, custom phone stands. They're practical, stylish, and always in demand. Personalize them with names or patterns. Your customers will love the unique touch. Next, 3D printed jewelry. Rings, necklaces, earrings, you name it. The intricate designs you can create are endless. Plus, they're lightweight and affordable to ship. Don't forget about home decor. Items like 3D printed planters or wall art can transform any space. They're trendy and make fantastic gifts. And lastly, cosplay props and accessories. The cosplay community is huge on Etsy. They're always on the lookout for high-quality, detailed pieces. You could be their next favorite store. So, there you have it. Custom phone stands, 3D printed jewelry, home decor, and cosplay props. Start printing and start selling. Ready to see your Etsy shop soar? Give these products a try today.